Don't replace your shift cables until you've tried this. Shift cables purportedly stretch over time, which can lead to play or slop when shifting between gears. I'm glad to share that instead of replacing your cables, you can actually adjust their position to calibrate them. Let's show how you can adjust the engagement of your shift cables to make sure they shift properly and maintain their precision. You will need access to the inner mechanism of the shift knob and parking brake, and to do so you need to remove the center console. This can be an involved step, but it's not hard, there are just a lot of little steps. I've made a full guide and a separate video on removing the center console, and you need to do that prior to removing the shift cables. The first step is to obtain a shifter alignment tool, and here's the part number. It clips on the right side of the shifter, decent amount of pressure, and at the top and bottom, and holds the handle in place. Notched into place on the back and on the front. We turn our attention to the shift cables themselves, the little blue and black mechanisms here on the linkages, and record or observe how many notches up the shift cables are positioned into the grooves. We'll be increasing tension by moving them up in the notches shortly, but in case you ever have to undo it, we'll have the original measurements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish on the left as well. Let the spring all the way in. And turn it clockwise to lock it in position. If your movement has been less than perfect, side to side, we pop this out just by pulling a little up on it. And we reduce slop by pushing it a few notches in. In the video, I reduced the notches. It should actually go this way to increase tension and remove slop. Once our adjustments are made, press in, release to lock. Pop off the tool. After everything is said and done, make sure to test all of the speeds so that you don't lose functionality. Best of luck. I hope your shifting improves, and if this doesn't work or your cables need replacing, a full guide is available on my channel. Thanks for watching.